doing on my porch? Get off my porch! Get off my porch! Get away from my house. You got no business over here. Get out of here!
A heat lamp right now. Yeah, so pretty much it's the whole neighborhood, and we're gonna need an air horn. No. That's not nice. Okay. Game on then. Not you say the B word, Mom. Actually, yeah, we are. We're cool.
What are you doing, man? Get the fuck out of here.
Then they'll have like soup Nazis. Oh, he's got the fancy doorbell like at the rescue mission. Oh my God.
We can't answer the door right now. but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hi. I'm looking for my Uncle Randy and I'm lost in Tacoma. And I saw you come inside and said, "Hi, Nazi." I didn't mean it. But I'm disoriented, but I don't need doctor's care. Do you know Randy? Hello? I don't know what his last name is. He's in he's somewhere in the vicinity of your house. Oh, God. Are you still recording? Probably. I know you're awake. I just saw you go in your house. Okay. Well.
Can you leave the packages alone? Can you please? They're for my wedding. Can you please put the packages back? Be a good person. Sorry, someone just stole packages from my front lawn. That's so annoying.
Somebody stole your paper?
Yeah. I have your license plate number. You might as well drop them off.
Keep going. We're going with the code. There's no code. Good. Raven, come in. Come on, keep it. Activate Mechagodzilla. No, don't do that. He's coming. Oh. Teen Titans, go. 1, 2, 3, 4.